Oh, okay, guys. So TD, the diamond miner here, TDM, and I am showing you the lobby. The lobby, yeah. Here's the lobby. Okay, so this video is about to help others. Yeah, this is the harder than I thought because someone has been spamming it. That he just told me 5 times and another guy 5 times again, and yeah, I said just keep calm and I'm gonna post a video. So this is now the video I'm showing you. So I am using a texture pack. Oh yeah, I'm using a texture. Okay, so next we will go to you can see that we will go to VIP creative server, and oh, if I do GMC I just see I am like VIP.
Okay, guys,
Test like that and like test, and I am VIP creative. So if I do the list, if I'm the only one in VIP creative, but other guys have only the blue here, but not the bold one. It's only had the blue slightly one. So if how to apply for VIP creative, well, I'm gonna show you how to today. So let's stand here at the base. Oh yeah, and having a glass in my hand. Okay, so first go to any browser you want, and I'm now here, and go to forums here, and just the forums, and next go to application area for VIP creative, and you can see that VIP creative is very neat. So now we will go to forum guide, read first by double 13, and just read this. If you want to build something big and awesome on our server and you would like to use our VIP creative server for it, you will need to apply for it first. How to obtain apply? Well, if you would like to get a giant plot with world edit and stuff, you will need to make application for it. In the application, you have to use the template given below. Means it's here. Oh my, just messed up. And the idea is that people you give us a sort or info on your plan, so we know what you up to. Okay, so first I'm just gonna like copy this one. Oh yeah, so copy this one, and you need your name, people in your team, theme, short description of your plan, other builds you have built on Anagraph photos. Okay, so you need to home, just back, go back, then go to new thread beside subscribe. Oh yeah, just new thread. Next, it's like app for VIP creative. App for VIP creative, then just like test app for VIP test app your AGN here. In here you need your in-game name, your IGN, your IGN here, IGN, yeah. Then now let's like copy and paste. Then your name, that's your name. What's your in-game name? What's your IGN? But my IGN is, I'm just gonna use it test. Then people on your team, make sure you will like just like Lee, then comma, then yeah, sort of how just make it like you can even make it better. Then the theme the title you want to build. Oh yeah, titles you want to build, and short description of your plan, like the theme. Like I'm just gonna write here that the parkour, like yeah, or the TNT one, or something like that. Short description of your plan. We would build we just gonna but like we would build something like parkour. Yeah, we would build a parkour. This parkour is the description etc. Short description of your plan. We would build a parkour. This parkour is like yeah, because maybe you would copy this. Other builds you built in either item craft, just like cops and robbers, like Rainbow Rush, like TNT. Oh no, you can allow TNT. Cops and robbers, Rainbow Rush, like that. I made split, and etc. Yeah, just example of it. The photos of your work, photos like gonna be posted here. Screenshot. Then I'm gonna have to screenshot. So just press F12. If I go here, if you press F12, I'm just gonna take a picture of this. Like this is my Insta. Oh yeah, that, and just press F12. I mean F2. Then it will show up that saved screenshot. Okay, so it will appear directly on your document. So photo screenshots of your builds. Oh yeah. Then I'm just gonna quit this. Then after you will just post it. It will appear like this. Oh yeah, but mine I don't have any. I don't have any. Okay, so this is the final tutorial, guys, for the forum, because this is very hard, very hard, I guess. Oh yeah, this is very extreme harder than I thought. So I just had an idea that I'm gonna make a VIP creative bit, because just apply. Oh yeah, just apply. Oh yeah, just apply. So thanks for watching. Hope you this video is for Minecraft, so they could learn things. Oh yeah, just post it and how like that. Suggest. Okay, so this is the end of my video. Hope you guys subscribe. Bye.